Recently, Austin got a ton of freezing rain, and my Royal Zest peach trees bloomed early and then froze in the freezing rain. This is that same tree just a couple of days later now that the rain has dissipated. Interestingly, my blossoms seem almost totally unharmed by the ice. We've got a ton of bumblebees out here today. It's probably 85 degrees on this wonderful Sunday afternoon. And this isn't the only tree that got frozen. This tree likewise was totally encased in ice. And look at it now. It's looking great. Lastly, I wrapped one of my peach trees in bubble wrap and burlap to insulate it from the freezing rain. And this tree has the most blossoms out of them all. You can see we've got all sorts of bumblebees and pollinators attracted to our garden. Our backyard orchard is ready for a wonderful spring.